Hi everybody, this week is 11th China Aviation and Aerospace Exhibition at Zhuhai, Guangdong. The PLAAF has launched their J-20 fighters officially during the airshow. I will briefly touch on some features of the aircraft as well as the pros and cons of the design. Enjoy! J-20 has several stealth positive features, as you can see from the picture. The vertical stabilizers are canted and independently movable. These canted vertical stabilizers assist in reducing the RCS of the aircraft when facing directly in front. Secondly, the divertless supersonic inputs at the sides of the aircraft actually does reduce the RCS by not returning radar signals directly back to the transmitter. This is again another stealth feature. This picture does not really illustrate the coatings, but the previous videos that you have seen actually does highlight the coatings that has been applied to the aircraft since the prototype phase. And lastly, you can also see that there's an additional coating on top of the canopy, across the canopy. Now the cons of the features that's on the J-20. Basically, we can still see that the stealth aerodynamics design is still quite elementary compared to the F-22. The vertical stabilizers, though canted and individually maneuverable, are actually still, I would say, not at the optimum angle to provide the best RCS returns. Secondly is the canards. If you can notice that actually the canards are movable, though we cannot see in the flight display. The issue is having movable or mobile canards that are actually assisting in maneuverability of the aircraft decreases the stealth features and negates the RCS improvements that it has made. So basically, you can see that this aircraft is can be said that it's an improvement over the Su-30 MKK, but still will be underwhelming compared to the T-50 or the F-22.